Good day. Our reading lesson is Benny and the Sea Monster. The genre, realistic fiction. Ready to explore some tide pools? Uncle Tay asked. He looked down at Benny and Jada, who rested on a big beach towel. The three of them had left home at dawn. They had driven a long way to get to this special beach. Benny yawned and sat up. He liked playing at the water's edge. He loved seeing the blue-green waves roll into shore, like moving mountains with white edges. The breeze cooled him, but Benny was not sure he was in the mood for the tide pools. He was not sure he liked tide pools at all. If we go back to our paragraph 1, we can see the word explore, which means looking into new things or new places. Another word that we can discover here, beach towel. As you see in the picture on the right corner, this is the beach towel. Dawn, the early light at sunrise. Edge, the beginning or ending of something. And this is the blue-green waves that roll into shore. Mood means feeling. Let's find some evidence in this story. Who are the characters in the story? Our characters are the people who are acting in the story. If we take a look at paragraph 1 and 2, we can see our characters, or we can find our characters. Paragraph 1, ready to explore some tide pools? Uncle Tay asked. So Uncle Tay is character number 1. Paragraph 2, he looked down at Benny and Jada. Benny and Jada are characters 2 and 3. Who is the main character in our story? Let's find out. If we go back to paragraph 3 and read it again. Benny yawned and sat up. He liked playing at the water's edge. He loved seeing the blue-green waves roll into shore, like moving mountains with white edges. The breeze cooled him, but Benny was not sure he was in the mood for tide pools. He was not sure he liked tide pools at all. In here, we feel that Benny is having a trouble, or he is having a problem with the place where he is. But Benny was not sure he was in the mood for tide pools. This is the problem that Benny is facing, which makes Benny the main character in our story. Another question that comes to our mind, what is the setting of the story? As we all know, setting means where the story takes place and at what time or when does the story happen. If we go back to paragraph 2, we find that the story happens at a special beach and at dawn time.